My name's Aaron. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? I'm fantastic and I'm doing really well. And today from the house of, oh no, I can never pronounce this, Matiere Perfumer, I am reviewing vanilla powder. This is £165 for 50ml or £240 for 100ml. And the notes are vanilla, coconut powder, white musk. And that is it. Do we have our bottles of vanilla powder by Matiere Perfumer? Are we engaged with the high self? Let's get testing. I have no idea what to expect, but generally fragrances from this house I really liked and I thought were very good actually. So I'm expecting great things. This looks like it's gonna, I don't know, it looks like a chemical concoction, the color, which is all right. So I'm gonna ask you a question. Do you like it? If you like it, leave your comments below. If you don't like it, leave your comments below. This contains huge amounts of ambroxan and amber raw materials. So this smells like my lab, which is not a bad thing because I kind of think that there's a time and a place. And I have a fragrance coming out in 2026 that is something. So I just went full throttle with the aroma chemicals. I'm like, just do it, don't be frightened, just do it. So this is ambroxan, which is giving it a harsh metallic nature, ambronacide, which is giving it that harsh metallic smell. I love ambronacide actually, but at high concentration, so I always feel it smells like a chemical factory. There was that fragrance, that little bottle, it wasn't Burger Musk, it was like Megamare, that contains huge amounts of ambronacide as well. It has its time and its place, those sort of fragrances, to give you substantial, long-lasting. This does not come off your skin. I know that because of the way it's been constructed. Ethyl vanillin giving you that real vanilla-y full throttle. This is a synthetic fragrance. There is, and that's fine because there absolutely is a 100% place for these sort of fragrances. Hedione to give lift and volume. Hedione can give sort of the structure of the fragrance, can also kind of soften the fragrance a little bit. And I think this was really needed to be softened. So Hedione. When I saw the name vanilla powder, I don't like powdery fragrances. I thought it was going to be powdery in the ironone and vanillin way. And this is not. This is powdery in the salicylate and emerald ethyl maltol. It's giving you structure through it. Aldehydes are giving a coconut feel to the fragrance. On to my final thoughts. I mean, this is what it is. I really like it because I do love fragrances that are kind of like, it is what it is. This is unashamedly a aroma chemical masterpiece, because I think this is really difficult to do. I think there is a time and a place for it, and I think this is the time and the place. I think the price is really good. I love the construction of it. I think it is a bit mad that you're applying that much ambroxan, that much ambronacide. I think it smells finished, complete. I think it smells fun. This is not going to come off your skin at all. And there's an extract parfum that if I got time I might review. I have tried this because sometimes I try it, but it's quite difficult. And this did last. This kind of, I put it on and I could smell it the next day. So these are one of these fragrances because the nature of how it's constructed gives you long lasting. I don't know what they're going to do with the extracted parfum, but I thought it was quite insane actually. Gives you long lasting, loads of CRs, loads of this, loads of that, at 100. Sometimes when it's big, clunky aroma chemicals, so how I think of is like the size of the molecule as well. You go nose blind because they're so massive. And some aroma chemicals that are smaller and naturals are smaller, you kind of can smell them, but this I kind of went really nose blind to. I thought it was a little bit like, oh, I can't smell it. And with this amount of ambroxan and aroma chemicals, you do go nose blind to it. So I would always ask someone, can you smell this? Or what do you think of my fragrance? Because after an hour, I was like, I can't smell anything at all. And then I kind of did something else and I thought, oh, I can smell it. I kept catching it. I really like it. I love the concept of it. I think the price is really good. I really like it and I can thoroughly recommend it. I think it's a bit nuts. Its concept of it, which I really like. I think it's like ambronacide. It's not a cheap aroma chemical. It's one of the most expensive ones out there, but I really like it. But you have to be very careful with limonol and bronocide, all these kind of things that some people are so sensitive to it and kind of can't deal with it, and it gives this headache inducing. So this, I absolutely would recommend that you try it first. Go into wherever and just try it on your skin, because it may absolutely be the worst thing for you, because it is synthetic. It doesn't smell natural at all. There's nothing natural about it, and that's kind of what I love about it. And it kind of feels like a fun fragrance. I really like it. I think it smells like fun, nuts, and kind of, yeah, definitely for me. I'm going to mark it a 9 out of 10. And the one mark coming off is because I would love a bit more naturals in it, just to sort of stop it feeling like a rave in the 90s and sort of make it a bit more natural. I would really love that, but it is the nature of what it is. But I would have personally really loved that. Some more naturals in it to kind of tame that artificial nature to it. But I do love it. I think it's really fun. So we love that review. Thumbs up and subscribe for fascinating, interesting content. Lots of moving hands and lots of fragrance views. Hope you're staying safe and well. See you soon.